Mabuhay!
Yes, mabuhay. Welcome to Intramuros, the old city of Manila.
Bye-bye!
Yes, and again, Ma'am Sir, we are going around the Intramuros. This is a 670,000 square meter plaza.
Are you gonna cross that busy street?
Sorry?
Are you gonna cross that busy street?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my god!
Don't worry, ma'am. This is the king of
Are
the
we
road.
gonna die?
This is the king of the road.
This is Coco!
Yes. Coco is the Philippine Ferrari.
Stop! I'm a horse!
Look at the one horsepower.
Oh my god! Stop!
Yes, and again, guys, to our right side of the road, this is Palacio del Gobernador.
Palacio, Governor
is the
Palace.
first White House in the
Listening?
Philippines,
Yeah.
or the first office of the president. And today it houses the office of
Are you
the Commission
comfortable,
of
Karen?
Election and also the Intramuros administration.
I'm videoing you all. Vlogger. There's a fan if you're hot. Wala naman masyadong traffic dito.
Yes, yes.
Well, modern na ano, kalesa yan, no?
Yes, that is the second version.
Oh, yeah?
2 wheels. We have a 4 wheels, so this is the third version.
Oh my god. It's becoming modern.
Yes. We're exercising also the animal rights.
Yeah, yeah.
And
yeah.
also,
I don't like that.
we're
Yeah.
focusing to the safetyness of our guests.
Humane.
Yes, and into our right side of the road, Ma'am Sir, this is the second oldest Catholic stone church in the Philippines, built in year 1581. This is the Manila
I
Cathedral,
remember that when I was young.
also known as the mother of all churches.
Yeah.
Yes, for us to consume the 1 hour ride, guys, it's up to you if you would like to go down and take a picture, visit the Manila Cathedral, or we can actually continue the ride.
Continue.
Yes, let's
Continue. Sige.
Okay, let's go, Coco. Excuse the horse.
Yeah. Here's the horse.
Yes, and again, Ma'am Sir, Manila Cathedral, that is the 8th construction of the church. The first construction of this church is made out of nipa, wood, and bamboo. Just like what we have, our old Filipino traditional house, we call it the bahay kubo, or the house made out of bamboo.
Parang nipa ka.
Yes, correct, ma'am. Sadly, the first construction of Manila Cathedral is destroyed because of fire during the World War I.
Second World War One, two, and 1 and 2.
World War I is the first damage of the church. And they reconstruct it again to stone formation. After 4 years, sadly damaged again because of earthquake. And repeated several times. Earthquake, typhoon, earthquake, and the last 7 damages from the World War II. 90% of the establishment here is totally destroyed. The only remains standing, that is the St. Augustine Church. To our right side of the road, Ma'am Sir, this is one of the popular cafeteria here, La Cathedral Cafe.
There's a cafe.
Yes, the motto of the student here is coffee is life. They always drink coffee, but imagine, the hotter the weather, the hotter the coffee is better. White establishment to our left side of the road, Ma'am Sir, that is the Bahay Chinoy. Bahay Chinoy, or Chinese museum inside the Intramuros, Manila. Inside you will see the contribution of the Chinese merchants during the Spanish colonization. Oh, sadly closed. Coco will do the U-turn. We close the gate. We're passing to the other side. As you can see, Ma'am Sir, the street of Intramuros is very narrow only. This was designed only for the horse-drawn carriage, or what we call the kalesa, starting the year 1600. The #1 mode of transportation of the Filipino and also the Spaniards, the one they call the Ilustrados. Ilustrados, those are the wealthy person during the Spanish colonization.